Ami annyeong! I'm back with another ARMY membership merch pack, and this one is box number 6, which is the music box. If you hear a bit of pitter-patter in the background, that's just the rain hitting my window. It's still raining here in Sydney and doesn't seem to be going away anytime soon. I gotta be honest, I wasn't sure if I wanted to get this as part of my membership because I don't really collect music boxes, but when I took a good look at what's included and the overall design, I thought, this could make a nice jewelry box. First out of the box is the user guide. This should be pretty simple to operate with a standard turn and wind mechanism. So let's get this out of the box. Ooh, there we have the gold BTS logo. Now that I have this in my hands, I have to say it is pretty exciting. Kinda reminds me of the Sanrio music box I had as a little girl. What I like about this design is the matte black finish on the box and the metallic gold logo in front. It's very minimalistic and goes well with my interior decor, so that was a winning point to getting this music box. At the back, there's the ARMY logo that you use to wind up the box in the same gold color. Now to open up and reveal the goodies. Look at that deep purple interior. First up is the bracelet. This music box has an overall Mikrokosmos feel, and that is stitched across the length of the bracelet. It should be pretty easy to adjust and put on. Yeah, simply by loosening the tassels on both ends. And I like this about a pre-tied one-size-fits-all design where there's no fuss getting the bracelet on and off. There we go. Next up are the photo cards. We have a set of 7, and it looks like this would have been taken during their pajama party with ARMY. Let's have a look and see how everyone's dressed. Yeah, this was definitely taken when they did the pajama party on Zoom with selected ARMY members. You can see Namjoon in his t-shirt on the red beanbag. The books on the shelf behind Jin. The back of the photo card is simple in black with their name and logo in purple. Yoongi's hair color back then. And you can see they're all mic'd up as well to jump on the call with ARMY. The brightness of the photos, it's slightly overexposed in these shots, but I don't mind it. Probably due to the lighting in the studio, you can see that bright glow on Tae's face here. And again, you can see that strong shadow on JK's. And here we have the pictures that I included for the music box. There should be 2, both group shots. This close-up one, and one of them and their universe, ARMY. Very nice. So to insert the picture, we have to remove this frame and the white paper behind it. then replace with one of the pictures. Actually, I think I'll go with this one. So it's like the 7 of them and us together with one big planet in the middle. There, nice and easy. The quality is pretty good and I like the finishing on a micro suede type material. There's a spring mechanism here, and I recommend reading the user guide to be careful with handling the music box and always wind it clockwise. Here's the moment we've been waiting for. It's a perfect fit for my army jewelry and small accessories, so definitely no regrets here. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing and do subscribe for more to come. Thanks for watching and take care. Annyeong!